I request ma'am to kindly come upon the stage and occupy the seat. Our next panelist is Principal Mrs. Harmeet Kaurji. Principal Nankana Sai Public School, Ludhiana. Ma'am will share his knowledge on the topic, encouraging design thinking among students and teachers. Ma'am, kindly come upon the stage and occupy your seat. Thank you, ma'am. Our next panelist is Dr. Som Prakashji, Director of Academics, Maths Learn India. Sir is a renowned educationist with high-order linguistic skills and having the experience of over 24 years. A public orator, motivational speaker, philosopher, writer and administrator. Thank you for coming here, sir. Now I request our next panelist, Dr. Vinodita Sankhyanji, President Amritsar Sahodaya Schools Complex, to kindly come upon the stage and occupy the seat. Ma'am is a CBSE resource person, a national awardee, and nominated by CBSE to be in the core pilot team of SCORE and APP. So may we start now? Thank you, sir.
A very warm welcome again. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you to the speakers who have come from their field and who have so much knowledge about certain things. Again, as in starting I said, we want to discuss about. I would have taken a topic. Given the question to the speakers, we would have talked about a simple topic. But again, the purpose is that we should gain knowledge about what is happening in the outside world. That is why I did it in a very different way, and I requested Vinodita ma'am also that we should do in a way where we should talk about different things and their perspectives. What are we talking about? What is the concept is, and how in precise we can implement in our schools, whichever level school it is. Because again, when we are talking about anything, we are talking about every level of school. And I don't call it as a panel discussion, I call it as a discussion, and it is a discussion among all of us. And these are experts on their topics what they'll be talking about. I'll be moving around the hall. I'll be asking questions in between and your queries also. What you understand about this, if they told about something, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो, आपको क्या कोई डिफिकल्टी है इसमें, आपको स्कूल लेवल में परेशानी आती है, आप उसके लिए आपकी कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, any type of. Believe it that here we are as a student right now, as a child, we are not principals. That is why we have not invited any type of coordinators or teachers, because I think the session should be for the principals only or the management only, because they understand, they are on the school level, they should understand the things. So we are not principals right now in this session. We are learners, we are teachers, we are students, everything. And might be these four other teachers for their topics for which we'll be asking and discussing. And we have an engaging session. So, first of all, we will start up with a very senior person who is in the education field, and she is doing a very, I think, very differently in education, and especially in Punjab, because you might not see these type of things happening in many of the schools in the different parts of the country. And we are talking about Dr. Paramjeet Kaur ma'am. Thank you so much, first of ma'am, coming up to the show and from a long way from your city and your school, because it is very difficult to go anywhere right now. So we didn't keep the program for the whole day. We kept it for the precise time where, though ma'am had, I requested ma'am because we have a constraint of time also. And we have to give it to the people also. So ma'am will have to be a little precise. Sorry ma'am for that again. So Paramjeet ma'am, because your topic we have taken is Sustainable Development Goals. रोज कुछ ना कुछ सीबीएसई का आता रहता है, लोकल गवर्नमेंट का आता रहता है, ये भर के भेजो, वीर गाथा और ये और वो एंड ऑल. मतलब वीर गाथा के वीर गति हो गई है करते करते. मतलब we are not principals, we have become clerks right now. मैम इसमें क्या करना है, सर इसमें क्या करना है. जब हमें करना है तो तुमको ऑफिस में नहीं करना है. सर बताइए तो सही करना है क्या इसमें. So there are a lot of things, वीर गाथा and all this are different, but again we have been talking since many times, long that sustainable development goals. So there are certain, words or topics जिसको सुनते डर लगने लगता है, पता नहीं क्या होगा इसके अंदर, what will be over there. So my first question to ma'am is that ma'am, actually first of all, people will like to understand from you is what is sustainable development goal when we are talking on the school level at least. Ma'am, over to you, ma'am.
Okay. Mind if I stand up?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here and listening to me. Now, these are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. ये वो goals हैं जो 193 countries decided and to follow it. This is a solution for a peaceful, sustainable, happy world with equality everywhere around. All right? This came into being in January 2015, and it was then implemented, and India is a signatory of these goals. ये सब हम जानते हैं. We are all connected to this. We are working in a school, and there also we are following the Sustainable Development Goal. नाम देना बचा है. If you are doing some activity on environment, you are working on SDG 13, 14, 15. अब हम सब कर रहे हैं. सिर्फ नाम देना है. That's it. So if I talk about the goals, I'll just name the goals so that we know what are the 17 goals.
Ma'am,
yeah.
Excuse me. My first question is, because I also know less about it,
Okay.
we need to understand what actually, first of all, what is sustainable development?
Sustainable development is development of the present generation without compromising with the needs of the future generation. इतने दरख्त ना काट दें कि आने वाले बच्चों को परेशानी हो. So we take care of the future generation and we take care of our needs. That is sustainable development.
Right. Now, we'd also like to understand from you that what you are telling about how many sustainable development goals are over there. Now we can proceed further for that also, ma'am.
17 goals हैं, फटाफट बताती हूँ. First is no poverty. खूबसूरत दुनिया होगी अगर कोई गरीब नहीं होगा. Zero hunger is goal number 2. Everybody should have a full stomach before they go to bed. Goal number 3 is good health and well-being. कोविड के टाइम एहसास हुआ था. क्वालिटी, गोल नंबर 4 इज क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. हम सब उससे रिलेटेड है. सिर्फ किताबों की पढ़ाई नहीं, उस एआई के लिए भी तैयार करना है, एम्पैथी के लिए भी तैयार करना है, टॉलरेंस के लिए भी तैयार करना है. गोल नंबर 5 इज जेंडर इक्वालिटी. गर्ल्स, बॉयज, मेन, वुमेन आर सेम. 6 इज क्लीन वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन. देन 7 इज अफोर्डेबल एनर्जी. विंडमिल सबको चाहिए. डिसेंट वर्क एंड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ हमें चाहिए. इंडस्ट्री, इनोवेशन एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज गोल नंबर 9. 10 is reduce inequalities, caste, color, creed, सब कुछ खत्म. And then sustainable cities and communities. 12 is responsible. 5 जोड़ी जूते का क्या फायदा if we can do with 2, but every color shoes, sports shoes you want. 13 is climate action. सभी को पता है, we talk so much about the climate. 14 is life with the water. 15 is life on land. 16 is peace, justice and strong institution. 17 is the most important one, partnership goals. सारी दुनिया मिलके इन पे काम करेगी तो we will be attaining these goals by 2030. That's the agenda.
Ma'am, I will also ask a question from you. What about us, the poor principals? सबको हम सब कुछ बांट रहे हैं. हमारा क्या होगा? कुछ भी होगा. अच्छा हुआ तो पूरी टीम का है, मैनेजमेंट का है और टीचर्स का है, लेकिन गलत है वो प्रिंसिपल का है. What about our community that is called poor principals? PR we write that is actually poor. PRR को short में कर देते हैं PR. तो वो हमारी situation. Actuality we are talking about. So what type of suggestions you want to give that a principal should also have their personality development, that how they should rise? There's a lot of exploitation with the principals, the salary structure and everything. I keep on talking to, I know more than 10,000 principals in the country. I've been talking to them. बैंगलोर में बात करते हैं तो कहते हैं 50,000 में प्रिंसिपल आराम से मिल जाता है. बैंगलोर is so costly and 50,000 means is somewhere around 20,000 according to this city. So yes, but we are enjoying it.
Wear the crown and we want to wear the crown. That is why we are there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Paramjit, ma'am. Thank you so much.